Imagine standing at the edge of a quiet forest just before dawn, where the night slowly gives way to a calming light. In this serene moment, hidden within your body, a remarkable process is unfolding, a process that resets your stress hormones as you sleep. This video is a journey to understand how sleep naturally lowers cortisol and helps you achieve a more balanced stress response. We'll explore the rhythm of cortisol throughout the day, discover what happens during deep sleep, and learn how the restorative power of nighttime can prepare you for a vibrant morning. When you think of stress, you might imagine an alarm clock blaring in your mind. In reality, the stress hormone cortisol works much like a natural alarm clock in your body. Cortisol is produced by the adrenal glands and plays several roles. It helps you wake up in the morning, readies your body for action, and allows you to manage daily challenges. However, when cortisol levels remain high throughout the day, this hormone can become a burden, a constant, weighty reminder of stress. Imagine the pressure of tight deadlines, unexpected challenges at work, or even a minor argument that makes your heart pound a little faster. All these stressors trigger an increase in cortisol. In your body, this manifests as heightened alertness, increased blood pressure, and a surge of energy. Now picture the night as a gentle guardian of your inner balance, a time when the bustle of the day gives way to dedicated recovery. As darkness falls, your body begins its intrinsic process of resetting the stress systems built up during the day. Let's dive a little deeper into what happens during your slumber. Deep sleep, which is sometimes called slow-wave sleep, is like a hidden repair workshop bustling with activity. It is during this period that your body is not only resting, but actively healing and regulating various processes. As the deep sleep stages conclude, the natural rhythm of your body prepares you for the light of a new day. With each passing minute in the early morning, cortisol levels begin to rise once again, but this time in a controlled, measured manner. While the body is engineered to manage these rhythms on its own, modern life sometimes disrupts this delicate balance. Late-night screen time, caffeine in the evenings, or even the hum of urban life can interfere with the transition into deep sleep. Over time, by respecting and enhancing your body's inherent rhythms, the benefits extend well beyond just feeling well-rested. A consistently balanced cortisol level reduces chronic stress, improves mental clarity, and supports a robust immune system. Let your mind wander through a vivid, imaginative visualization. Picture a vast ocean at night, calm and deep. The surface may be stirred by passing winds throughout the day, each gust a moment of stress, raising your internal waves. Imagine a bustling day full of tasks, deadlines, and unexpected hurdles, a scenario most of us encounter frequently. In the morning, your body awakens with a natural surge of cortisol, gently urging you to rise and face the day. In the quiet hours of the night, as cortisol gently subsides and sleep takes hold, you are offered a chance to reset, to move from tension to tranquility, from stress to serenity. Recognize that each night affords you the power to start anew.